Hi, this is Karen with WTI. I was looking for some magnets for some crafts and for my fridge, and I found this DIYMAG ceramic round magnets, and I love them. They're just strong enough to hold a envelope or a note on my fridge, and it comes with this double-sided adhesive tapes that it can be used in case you want to glue them somewhere. But they're so versatile that I was able to finish my project. This is a sewing kit for the couch, and I needed to make some pockets, and I was also able to make this kind of like a macaroon shape for the needles to stay in place. And I can make such a cute little things with this magnet. I was able to put them like underneath of the project. So in top of it, I could add all of the little details that I wanted to attach to this sewing kit. So now I can just put them in place and they will stay there. The magnet is strong enough even underneath of a fabric. So I know for sure that my little needle magnet is gonna stay there. It's not gonna be falling off. And that's my point of view.